right, WMC, this is the video to find the winner of my dual signed Giannis and Thanasis 8x10. So we'll check the time, October 24th at 11:39 a.m. We're going to go over to the Raz and type live. And we've got October 24th at 11:39 a.m. There is the list of our 10 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever's on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 11. All right, 11 times. Here we go. Oop. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Adam. Spot 4 is your winner. So Adam, please message me to collect your photo. There is our verification code, our timestamp once again, October 24th, 11:40 a.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.